Have you seen the viral TikTok pasta dish, or maybe your kids have shown you?
No.
It's got cherry tomatoes and feta, and it's apparently really easy. So we're going to try and make it. Melissa Cole made it. Here's how she did
Hang on,
hers.
my mic is screwing up. I apologize. Go ahead. Keep talking.
All right. So we're going to start with, just like Melissa did there, she had a baking dish. So we're going to put the tomatoes in here.
Oh, I see how she did that.
Yeah. So we're going to put some tomatoes in here.
You don't put the feta in first?
Nope.
All right.
It says right here in the instructions, we got to coat the bottom of this. You can do it in a skillet or an oven-proof
tomatoes,
thing,
shallot, garlic,
an oven-proof baking dish. So I'm just getting enough that they can be flat. I need to make sure it's flat. Okay. It says 2 pints of cherry tomatoes, but you really just need enough to coat the bottom there.
All right, very good.
Okay, so now we need a shallot that's been quartered, so I'll do that.
All right.
And then we also need garlic and olive oil. Okay, so I am the one with the cutting board, so I guess I'll do that for you.
And this is place feta into center of tomato mixture.
After we've done that, yeah, we're gonna paste the block of feta in the center.
All right.
The whole block, yeah. So, hang on. Do you wanna, what do you wanna do here?
No, I'm good, I'm watching. This is all I need to do today. There you go.
I need to get the,
Three cloves of garlic, Jamie?
you can, do we have 3 cloves? You got them all?
Just throw them in there? Okay.
Well, no, aren't we supposed to chop them?
No, so Jamie said he can.
They need to be smashed.
All right,
They need
I'll
to be
smash them
smashed.
at the back of the
Because they're
knife.
still in, you can't put them in like that, honey, because they still have wrapper on them.
Oh,
You can't eat that.
They still have the wrapper on them?
You know, the natural.
No, that's good enough. Oh.
A shallot will be quartered.
It just went on the floor.
Oh, wait, though. I thought it meant a quarter of the shallot. You're saying take the whole shallot? Oh, okay. We need the whole shallot cut in fourths.
We're making an easy recipe hard.
I'm trying to make sure we do it right. Okay, that's good. That makes it easier. If all we need is quarter,
I can't use the rest of that garlic because it's on the floor.
it'll be okay.
Any more garlic, Angela?
No.
You got more garlic?
No. You can't put it in with the stuff on it still.
That's what Jamie said. Just throw.
Yeah, give it to me. Give it to me. Give me your garlic.
I don't have any more. It's on the floor. It's on the floor. It slipped right out of my hand.
Smash it with the knife. You smash it with the knife like this. But you're saying we only have 1 clove now? Okay.
Is there more in the fridge? Oh, okay. Here we go.
Okay. All right. Listen, I had the hard job cutting the shallots, and now I'm crying.
Are you crying because of the shallots or because of something I said? Here's more garlic for you.
Okay, how many did it say? I can't
3.
see the recipes. 3? Give me 2 more.
Here's one.
Just give me. All right, so watch this, Scott.
Okay.
Remember, all the chefs teach us this.
Yep.
You just smash. Okay?
Okay.
And then look, the little,
Oh, yeah, look at that.
the skins come
Make it
off.
nice. Make it nice.
Make it nice. You can't put it in there with the skin on it.
Okay.
That's not going to work.
All right, now place feta into the center of tomato mixture and drizzle.
Wait, we need the olive oil. Okay? Garlic and most of the olive oil. Okay, so how much? A half a cup?
Yeah, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil.
You have the thing over there? I'll measure just to be
Half a
exact.
cup is right here.
So I'll do, it says most, so we'll just,
Oh, you know, Angelo.
come here. It's brand new. All
Angelo, set your phone, but you forget to take the top off the...
right, this is good, all right.
All right, very good. Oh, it's all over the recipe.
It's all right, and we're gonna season it with,
Okay, very good.
okay, now salt and pepper.
Swapper.
All right. We just want it doesn't even say just how much, we'll just do a little bit.
And red pepper flakes, too?
Sure, crushed red. Not that much at all, like maybe a,
Tara just salted up, put enough salt on for the whole universe.
yeah. No, it's kosher salt. Oh no, we didn't get kosher salt. Yeah, that's good. Too much, yeah, that's
No,
good.
a little bit of that.
It's gonna light your mouth on fire.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, there we go. Little salt and pepper, we're good. Now everything's coated.
1 minute, Kara.
What? Okay, so now you put the crushed thing in the center.
Okay.
I mean the block of feta in the center.
There you go.
Okay, that's it. Now, the time.
With the time? Mm-hmm. What time is it? Oh. There you go, we'll drizzle.
Okay.
Tiny bit of
The
olive
rest
oil.
of it, it said use the rest. See, that's why I reserved some.
Okay, there you go. We only have a minute, Kara.
It'll be fine. Well, we've got a finished product.
What do we got with the pasta, Angela? What's with the pasta?
That's for later. Okay, so go get the oven. Okay, here's our time. We put a little bit in there. And while you're going over there, can you put this new one in?
Yep.
So we're gonna bake that, but in the magic of TV, we have one already done.
But careful.
Yeah. Okay, so hang on, bear with us. We have one that's already done, and we're gonna add the pasta and a little reserve pasta water. Oh, look, see?
Beautiful.
Can anyone see? Okay, well, hang on. We have to strain the water.
Mix this up, Jamie. We're to mix this up, Jamie? The whole thing together?
But we can't because the pasta's not drained and we don't have a sink.
All right, very good.
All right. I know.
All right, roll the prompter.
You mix that. I'm going to add the pasta. We're going to do this.
No, we're done.
Hurry up.
What a mess. It was a complete disaster.
It seems like it would be good.
It does.
But if you want to laugh as hard as we're laughing here and yell at the TV screen some more, we have posted this on our Facebook page as long as I wipe my eyes with the paper towels.
And if you want to rewatch it, go ahead. I don't know why anybody would want to watch it for the first time, but God bless you.
I still think it's really funny that...
Oh, okay, very good.